Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today we are finally continuing the project showcase, and today I actually plan on getting down to the bottom. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. Okay, so just like in the first parts, I'm gonna put these pictures up again, and then I'm gonna measure how I'm gonna need them to be cut into to make sure that they all fit in this space together. So yeah, for this I sadly can't record neither in German nor in English, simply because I don't have a a stand for my phone with which I'm recording, and with one hand this isn't very easy either. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm done with the first picture. Okay, so the plan is that I'm gonna move this Porsche over here in the middle, but as you can see, I have to cut out a piece of the top thing of this area to make way for the light, and a little cut to get the cable through. So yeah, the other two pictures for this row are this e-tron and this other Porsche and the other Porsche, the Porsche 911. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so picture 1 and 2 has been installed successfully. Picture 3 is ready to go on the wall. It would in the end look something like this. So yeah, of course here you can see we have a space, and then we have pretty much the entire bottom over here. And I think the G-Wagon is too massive to fit in between these two cars, I think. Or maybe if I cut it out really tiny, it might fit, but maybe, I don't know yet. For the two lights we have lying around here, the ones standing down, we're gonna put them on the wall. My trusty old double-sided tape. We're gonna put one over here and the other one about here. So yeah, this one doesn't get lightning, this one has lightning because of this one. This one has lightning, doesn't have lightning, this one have lightning from this, and the other two have no lightning as well. Lightning, yes, lightning, I mean light, sorry. They have light as well. So yeah. For the bottom things here, I am gonna figure something out. But yeah, let's get them finally installed, the last picture, and maybe to propose the G-Wagon as well. So yeah. Okay, the row is done. The G-Wagon I have is gonna go like this, or a bit more down like this. So yeah, like this. The lights have been installed and the cable has been taped, so it's not flying around. So yeah, I see you once I installed this one. Okay, and with this we are done with the big pictures. In the next part, the little ones for areas such like this one or down here are gonna follow soon. This is the trash from today, just from today by the way. Yes, if you enjoyed this episode, why not? Oh wait, no, I can't end yet because I have a story to tell. I was in a store in the local Aldi around in the next city from me, about 5 minutes with the car away. I was shopping today and I found this one at the checkout. I think it's called checkout in English. Yes, from 2024. This 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, and not only once, but twice. So yeah, let's open one up. I hope I can do this properly, one-handed somehow. I'm probably gonna have to rip the entire packaging apart. Yup. Und damit haben wir ihn außer der Verpackung. And with this we have it out of the packaging. Sorry, I just swapped to German. Sorry about that. Yes, really nice one. I think this one gets slapped on very much because it has details all around the car, which is very nice and very rare for a mainline. But yeah, really nice one. But this one can't stay in the showcase for now because we are not done. I'm gonna move it down to the storage where I have most of the other cars moved now. So yeah, thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, why not leave a like and maybe a subscribe, and then I see you again in the next video. Have a wonderful time. Until then, bye bye.